I got these 2 packs of velvet wig grip bands because I don't like using the combs that comes with my wig. They're very soft and the Velcro really seals well. I love that this is a comfortable headband with adjustable design. It's about 21.5 inches and one size actually fits you, so you can just tailor it up to your preference and head size. It is quite a durable and good quality headband, and when I put on my wig, I don't need to use the comb at all. I just put on my wig and it secures, it fastens on my head. I can also wear this with a hat, and I don't need any glue or whatever, or combs or clips. I can use it on different types of wigs, so not just the straight wig, but also my curly wig feels so comfortable, and I don't have any fear of my wig coming off. This wig grip is a must for me. I can't wear my wig without it, and I absolutely love it.